Ka jingking ka bakongsan ha ka surak amnaram kudeng rim ha amsok kri khongla kala khalam no ha kalai trik nailur ha ka por shiteng singi hadien bakwai ka trakit khendo kala ngam no sha ka wa duit ka badan shapo jong ka ni ka jingking wat la kata ha ka ni ka jingjia shum la dan kino ki ban ngan ha ka jingman sam ka jing tua jong ka ni ka jingking kala khanglat ka jing panya so shi ki babun kishnong jong ka than kunthop sha ka shnong padu khongla nong bare bat kudeng rim ki nong shong snong kila ong baga nega jingjia kala wan long ru hadien bagi kali ki bakit kia kila beteng banyai ling baga nega jingking ke bala tran wat hadien balakang persha bat ke bala bu ka jingbam shngan ya kalit kawan ka subdivisional officer civil amnaram na du kham hashwa kala penmi ka jingpen bana ka bakhanglat ki kali ki bakit kia bakin ya ling baga nega jingking namar ka jingshnai ki jingking RCC bathamai hapo jong ka PMG SY3 Katkum kani ka jingpen bananda do pratrik naitung arja arpsan kala khang persha iki kali ke bakit kya bakin nyat na kani ka jaka na do ka khandai trik naitung tat hadu banda pendap ya ki jingtei bathamai Henry kinong shong snong kila kno baki trok kila beteng ban penkhen ya kani ka hukum bat ka balalam sha ka jingkhlem jong kani ka jingkiang
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.